Why public speaking skills are critical to developing leadership personality in your child. Hello everyone, I am Arsh from Team Springlish, and today we try to figure out how effective communication skills and public speaking skills help develop the leadership personality in your child. So friends, there've been lot of research and lot of theories about who an effective leader are, or what constitutes an effective leadership, or what are the traits or the inputs that go into making a great leader. There have been a lot of debates whether leaders are born leaders or are leaders made. Okay, so what's before we jump into how public speaking and how communication skills influence leadership. What do we understand by leadership? Who is a leader? Simply put, there have been, as I said, there have been a lot of theories, but simply put, a leader is one who has a clear vision to improve the things or the situation around him or her. And more importantly, please focus on the second part of this definition. More importantly, he or she has the ability to rally around the people towards this cause, towards his or her vision, wherein she can influence all these people to work in the direction of the vision which he foresees or which he envisions for betterment of his or her environment. So essentially, when I say a leadership trait or a leadership personality, it has to do with interpersonal skills. At the end of the day, we are social animals. Interpersonal skills is what takes us, or helps us ace the situation we live in. So as I was saying, there are lot of theories. You just Google lot of theories on what constitutes a good leader, or theories of leadership. But there is this common denominator to all these theories, which puts three important traits that every good or an effective leader has. What are these three traits? Communication, the first and the primary, the foremost, communication. Secondly, vision. And third, empathy. These are the three traits which are common among all the effective leaders you see in and out around you in your environment, or maybe on an international level. So we're going to delve into how these three traits, how effective public speaking skills and how effective communication skills help us build these three traits. Point number one, researchers show the people who talk openly are more assertive and more confident. What public speaking skills or effective a training on effective communication skills does here is it enables me as a person to talk openly and freely. I am more aware, I am more mindful about myself, and I'm able to speak openly. That has a direct correlation. That is what an effective communication skills training does. Because I cannot be communicating if I am not clear in my thoughts, I have not structured my thoughts, and I'm not clear about what I am talking about. Also, another related benefit, you may put it, people who talk openly and freely are perceived as more friendly and warm by their peers or by their juniors. This helps evoke that trust and that respect factor among the peers. So getting a command over good communication skills help you get that influence over your peers. The skill of public speaking, by its very technical nature, by its when even at Springlish, when we are training kids on public speaking and effective communication skills, there's a dedicated session, there's a dedicated theme on the usage of intonations and voice modulations in their speeches. The usage of these two you may say assets in your speech or in your communication amplifies the effectiveness of your communication by multiple times. Another good point. A good public speaker is always and essentially an active listener first and then a good public speaker. A speaker who cannot connect or who cannot empathize with his or her audience cannot be a good speaker. At Springlish itself, we have a dedicated module. I think we have around 4 sessions dedicated to just active listening. What are good techniques to actively participate even when you are in a listening position? So that is how these small details and nuances go into making of an effective communication skill and a public speaker. So this was our brief take on the correlation between leadership skills and effective communication skills. Do write us your views on this correlation, or do drop down us in the comment section below, or just write to us what do you think about this relation, and if you have any perspective on this, we'd love to hear that. And as I say, ladies and gentlemen, at Springlish, we are crafting leaders for tomorrow. We are making the public speakers, the public debaters for tomorrow. If you want to see your child step into those shoes, if you want to step up the personality of your child, call these numbers today and enroll for a free trial class. Till then, take care. See you in the next episode.